Wah! Greetings and salutations. Apologize for the wind noise. It's always windy out here. The Hoopty Jeep here at the start-finish line of the now abandoned Death Valley Speedway, which is located just outside of Ash Meadows and real close to the Long Street Casino there at the California-Nevada state line. I remember when I first saw this place back in 2013 when we first moved to Pahrump. We were exploring out here, found Ash Meadows, found this place, found the Long Street Casino. Never really dug into it too much, and then we were out here about a month ago cruising around by the Bradford siding over there along the T&T Railroad. Stopped here and cruised around, and it was windy that day too. Let me ask you something. If you were to venture a guess as to when this fine racetrack was abandoned, what would you guess? Pause the video, comment in the comment section. When do you think this racetrack was abandoned? I'll give you a few clues. There's some stadium lighting. There's the grandstands. There were bleachers right here. Of course, the start-finish line was right there. There's the tech station over yonder. The used boat. Probably get it for next to nothing. Have you ventured a guess yet? Nope. This place was abandoned in 2014. Which is pretty amazing, actually. 5 years, and this is how much damage the desert does. Not only the desert, but the hoodlums that prowl the area. This track was built in 2008. I know, right? 2008. If you were living under a rock, 2008 was probably the worst time in this country to build something economically. In 2008, this place was built because the racetrack that's in Pahrump was scheduled to close. 2008 was supposedly the last year that the Pahrump Speedway was going to be in operation. The previous owner was selling the property and was going to be developed into a strip mall. Well, that never happened. And the racetrack is still in operation. Every Saturday night there's a race at the Pahrump Speedway. This Death Valley Speedway and Pahrump are the two closest tracks. I think the next closest track in Nevada would be up in Fallon, which is close to Reno. And but you know, when you have two tracks competing for competitors in this area of the country, there's not a whole lot. Yeah, whoever paid the most was going to survive. And apparently Pahrump was paying more. But I don't know all the details of why this track went belly up. It's I think it's a 2/3 of a mile or an 1/8 mile track. I think it's an 1/8 mile track. And there's some videos here on YouTube of people racing here. I just took a lap around the track, scared the hell out of everybody in the Jeep. I don't think it's ever coming back, unfortunately. Hey, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. It means a lot to me. If you like this video, hammer away at the like button. Just smash it to smithereens. If you didn't like it, then hit the thumbs down button twice. Just beat it to death. Click it twice if you want to. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, I would consider it an honor if you did that. And then if you click subscribe, click the bell icon right next to it so you'll be notified of future uploads. Share this video with your vast social media network if you're so inclined. Comment in the comment section. Any questions or suggestions? Put them down there. That's where they belong. Until next time, you have fun, you stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Onward! Ready? Hang on!
What are you doing?
Huh? What am I doing? Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys! Woo!